Za ne povjerovat, jel da ljudi? Nemam ništa reći, samo krećemo. Zna se igrica, Bože. Ajde babu, te ja roknem, sine. Odmah ćeš 9 izbacit, Five Nights at Freddy's 9. Ok, evo nas, kao Night Guard. Ok, ovo je igra gdje, vidite ovo je zapravo drugi dio. Vidimo se. Shut the fuck up! To je već bolje, ljudi. Uglavnom. Stvari, znate šta, ljudi? Idemo mi njega poslušati ipak, pošto daje nam savjete. Izvinite radi ovoga, ali on nam daje savjete. Zaboravio sam sad. Da bi neki sigurno ne znaju igru. Mada, ovo je horor igra. Sad, jarane, poput mene smijete igrat, pošto imam 10 godina. Čovjek ostario... Bože, sad čovjek koliko sam ostario. Sad slušate njega.
Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility, they even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat?
Vidite Fredija.
Most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of
Oči
criminal
Fredijove,
database,
u sredini ovaj.
detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kink.
Trepće.
You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seem to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about the robot seeing you as an endoskeleton without his costume on and wanting to stuff you in the suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up, piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Dakle, ljudi, sad je poenta da mi preživimo noć, a oni će nas napadat. Ova ovdje 3 govnara. 2 govnara i 1 glupača. Izvinite, jezik mi je prljav. Da, prava riječ, jel da? Da li povjerovat? Ok, mi je 11, ovaj music box. Tako. Koliko sam ga čuo, mi trebamo preživjeti. Ja sam čuo za igricu, ali je nikad nisam igru. Dobro, ja sam jednom, sjećate se. Otišao je! Otišao je! Evo ga! O, jedan baterija, jeb. Ljudi, ja ću se usrat već. Koliko je sati? 3. Daj mi music box. Ona me jedino smiruje. Mama. O, čika! That's a Freddy, guys. Look this. Huh? Shh. Mislim da ćemo preživjeti. Šut. Tiše, ljudi. Šute. Neko ide. 5 sati. Oj, Bunny. Gledajte sad. Bliže je. Klip je 9 minuta dužine. Nadam se ne. We made it! Fuck yeah! Dobre! Top! O tome ti ja pričam! Wow! Holy shit! Druga noć! Wow! Ok ljudi, to bi bilo to. Nadam se da se svidio klip. Ako jeste, slobodno ostavite like, share i subscribe. Puno bi mi značilo, a mi se vidimo u sljedećoj epizodi. Ako vi htjednite. I... Ćao!